Well, we are here once again, and I got a fairly special, unspecial video for you. So I got something really special for everyone today. This bottle right here was a gift from a dear friend of mine. I'll link his channel below. His channel is Carlisle X2 TCG Multiverse. Gonna shout him out right there. There you go. He was nice enough to generously gift me this bottle, along with a couple of other bottles, one of which I will be drinking today, also. But without further ado, let's go ahead and raise that just a little bit. Get a little bit of my mug in there. I don't want my hair too bad in there. Little bit of set decoration, because why not? Anyways, let's go ahead and get our sugar-free Red Bull. Red Bull sponsor me. Jaeger also should sponsor me. I'm doing this in the name of science. So, hopefully, we'll see how long this lasts us. Little foamy on the floor there. I don't have a chaser available right now. So, sugar-free root beer. Get that washed down. Oh boy. Well, the root beer poured. Now let's get our Jaeger going. Ooh, it's a nice pop there. I really like that. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Got to power through it. There we go. Alright, now without further ado, we are going to take our Jagerbomb for today. It has been 2 days since the last one. Last time I did 12-ounce Sadachi Lime sugar-free. This time it is just the 8.4-ounce normal sugar-free. So, let's get this party started. Ooh. Oh. Oh. That was very tasty. And Mexico. Can never go wrong with mac and cheese. And you can never, ever go wrong with Cholula on mac and cheese. Now, it's very bare on this side. Let's get much. Oh, and I can't forget, we also have our trusty dusty little purple spoon right here. Damn, this shit's good. Mmm. Mix up a bunch of these little noodles. Alright, so I just washed my cup out. We're gonna go ahead and pour ourselves up a little bit of Stella Rosa. Ooh, it's peach. I kind of want to. A bit of wine. Very, very worn out Dodgers cup. Alright. Cheers. Oh. This should be quite good. Easy. Wing. I have a tattoo around my titty. I got it. I'm down to the last little bit here. That was a very big bite. Ooh. Do that. You know what? Ooh. Absolutely love me. Nice. And speaking of ramen, I prefer to not wear a condom. It feels a lot better. I've been with my girlfriend for 4 years now. And honestly, not bad. Not too much I gotta worry about. Ooh, that's hot. That is hot, hot, hot. Ooh. Let's drink. You know what? Let's finish this up. Let's go ahead. This is a good chugging bite. Any Stella Rosa. Stella Rosa Black and Stella Rosa Pineapples. Pineapple and chili. Those are the best for just a nice binge drink. Is all I'm gonna say. I'm not advocating for any binge drinking now. However, if I had to, I would totally go for the Stella Rosa Black or the Stella Rosa Pineapple, because those two just are out of the park, out of this world. Amazing drinks. At all points in time. Ugh, damn. Go. Ooh. I got the burps. Alright. Now, start. Oh, so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is the lime chili flavored with shrimp. You know my Johnny Walker. I have a bottle of Johnny Walker, Black Legend. Go ahead. Just pour this up. Oh. Whiskey. I'm gonna do just a little bit. Very small amount of whiskey because, you know, whiskey just has not been completely my thing recently. I do like Howler's Head. Howler's Head is a really good banana whiskey I've found. You know, I don't mind it. I'm weird. I like banana flavored stuff. I just find it's a lot more tasty, especially with like some cream soda. But the whistle just a little bit prematurely. Some good root beer. I really love A&W makes some great fucking root beer. Anyways, let's go ahead. Something about whatever Pitbull said about not remembering a fucking thing. Never forget 9/11. Oh. Ooh. I just want to shower. It's so tasty. It's some more of that. Yeah, let's finish up the bottle, shall we? There's not too much left in there.
So I kind of forgot I have mics. These are quite tasty. I do like them a lot. Nothing will ever beat mango. Mango flavored anything, really, is just where it's at, honestly. Oh. Oh. This bike ride is about to be very, very interesting, I feel. I have a very good feeling this is going to be a very interesting bike ride. Just couldn't help myself. I saw them on the front porch because I left them at the neighbor's house, and yeah, these were kind of calling my name as I walked outside to go grab my bicycle. So here we are, having a mango Mike's Hard lemonade. No, I know for a fact that because of how much sugar these have each, I'm probably going to be throwing up. And you know, I will even put in this video all that progress as well. Now I know this is a little weird seeing me on the iPhone camera, but you know, I feel like this is a little refreshing, a little bit different. We're gonna be switching it up. This is gonna be like not a multimedia, but like a multi-style kind of series and journey that we're going to be going through. And I'm just all documenting everything for the sake of science, because I feel like that's what's most important here. Let's see, government warning. According to the Surgeon General, women should not drink alcoholic beverages during pregnancy because of risk of birth defects. 2. Consumption of alcohol beverages impairs your ability to drive a car or operate machinery and may cause health problems. Well, I do not think a bicycle is a machine per se. I feel like a machine is something that requires very heavy and very skilled labor to work, such as a car or a forklift or anything that you are operating with a motor and that has electricity of any kind going to it. So yeah, bicycle, I feel like that's perfectly fine, as long as if I'm not, being erratic in public, which I feel like should be fine. I do have to pass by my local police department, however, so that should be pretty fun to do while on a bicycle. I'm going to be blasting some music on Yale 50-year hip-hop. I've won that from an arcade, a local arcade, and I'm starting to tense up a little bit. Just all that sugar I feel is starting to set in. I did also just take a giant turd, so that could be part of what's causing it. That was a good one. So apparently this is via my neighbor who is moving, so yeah, thank you, neighbor who is moving, for supplying me with this trip's alcoholic beverage. Alright, and just like that, we are almost finished with this Mike's Hard Mango. Alright, and we are on the last sip of the Mike's Hard Mango. Let's go ahead and finish this off. Do a little swirl. Boom. Now, let's go on a bike ride, shall we? It's really nice out. Not too breezy.
All right, well, thank you everybody for watching this far. I'm not sure what happened on the bike ride. Sure, it was very fun, very eventful. And you know, I will see you all in the next video. Yeah, I'm gonna fart. I hope y'all are gonna like this. Talk about a shit house.